Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions out there for early April. Temperatures already rising into the lower mid-60s over the Wallops region. Seeing mostly sunny skies, just some filtered sunshine with some cirrus up there this morning. We're going to continue to see those very mild conditions today before a backdoor cold front slides through for this afternoon. That will cool us down quite quickly for this afternoon, but for this morning into the afternoon hours, going to see temperatures rising into the lower 70s. I'm going to see very nice conditions continuing with no chances of precipitation or lightning today. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 9,200 feet, winds out of the north, the low levels, and becoming northwesterly above 6,000 feet. Seeing light winds between 1,000 and 3,000 feet, then winds picking up around 25,000 feet from between 6,000 and 9,000 feet, and continuing to increase up to 53 knots out of the northwest at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have high pressure ridging down from New England and eastern Canada. We have a weak boundary that's west of our region, as well as another boundary that's going to be moving through for this afternoon. That's going to provide us with that wind shift and cooler conditions by late to mid this afternoon. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, see the northwesterly flow. We have clouds moving in from the north and from the east in general and continuing to stay off to the east, and that'll be the case for most of the day today. Could see a bit of increase of our cloudiness overnight tonight around 8,000 feet, but overall expecting partly to mostly sunny conditions today. So taking a look at the European model and fast forwarding into our next rain chance will be overnight Thursday into Friday. Looks like a slight chance of a rain shower moving in. Looks like that ridge off New England is going to keep us fairly dry for the next few days and continuing to back those rain shower chances up into the weekend. A slight chance for Friday afternoon, but looks like our next best chance will come Friday night into Saturday, and then seeing possibly some warming conditions on Saturday as that boundary moves through for Friday night and Saturday north of the region. Really is a warm front, and that'll give us some more mild conditions for Saturday. And then for Sunday, we'll see a cold front that's really not going to be ushering much cold air, just a wind shift for Saturday night into Sunday, giving us a chance some showers, even an isolated thunderstorm. And that'll move through quickly and giving us clearing conditions for Sunday afternoon, and it looks like a warm day on tap for our second half of the weekend. And then for Monday, we'll have a battle between an area of high pressure over New England trying to ridge down the region and an upper level disturbance over the Great Lakes. Looks like right now we should see fairly seasonable temperatures for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Precipitation chances look fairly limited, as we won't have very good forcing for seeing that precipitation across the region, as well as our moisture will be fairly limited. Can't rule out some sprinkles or some low clouds moving in, and the European here is showing more of a pattern where the high pressure over New England dominates our weather. I'm going to continue to monitor that for next week, as some other models are showing more moisture in the region, as well as more westerly flow on the upper level. So we'll continue to monitor it. Right now looks like a dry start to the week and seasonable temperatures. So for our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 73 degrees at Wallops. Some of the high-res models are showing 74, so around the low to mid-70s. And because those winds are light this morning and will be generally light through the morning hours into the early afternoon hours, that will really allow for our temperatures to bump up into those lower 70s. The last few days have been tracking whether this northeasterly component to our wind will come in earlier in the afternoon or in the morning hours, but it does look like it should stay and continue to move in for the late afternoon hours today. We'll continue to see those onshore winds for the overnight hours and becoming light east to 5 to 10 knots, and then by tomorrow morning picking up out of the east and gusting up to 17 knots. Once that backdoor cold front does move through for this afternoon, as I mentioned, we'll see gusty winds out of the northeast around 19 to 20 knots. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see VFR conditions today. As I mentioned, going to see some cloud cover around 6,000 to 8,000 feet for overnight hours, and that'll continue through tomorrow morning, and we'll see just a little bit of cloudiness around that 6,000 to 8,000 foot level, as well as some broken cirrus at 25,000 feet. Our tides are normal, and looking at Thursday, green chart across the board, partly to mostly cloudy, slightly breezy onshore flow. Be cooler on Thursday along the coast, high 61. Thursday night, mostly cloudy, a slight chance of low clouds and a light rain shower, a low of 49, about a 20% chance of seeing that low cloudiness, especially if the winds are able to die down enough Thursday night off the water. Then for Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast skies with a slight chance of low clouds and light rain showers, a high of 62. Looks like the best chance of seeing that sprinkle or light rain shower may come Friday morning as well as late Friday afternoon into the evening hours. So not a high chance, only about 25% of seeing that rain shower on Friday. And then seeing, once again, that Friday morning could see some low clouds in the region as well with the onshore flow if it becomes light enough. So looking at the next 7 days, warm day today at 73, cooler temperatures for Thursday and Friday, a good chance of that rainfall Friday night into Saturday as well as Saturday night and Sunday. Should see some sunshine both Saturday afternoon and especially Sunday afternoon. Looks like we'll see a decent amount of sunshine and those warm temperatures on Sunday afternoon, seeing highs in the mid-70s. And Monday and Tuesday, as I mentioned, we'll see fairly seasonable temperatures in the mid-60s to lower 60s. Could see a bit cooler temperatures and more clouds if the onshore flow, as the European model is showing, becomes our weather pattern. But right now, really uncertain of the exact weather pattern for Monday and Tuesday, and keeping high pressure in control for now with those highs in the lower to mid-60s, as I mentioned. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.